You see, we got FILA all over the box. We got that size 11. I wanted to get 11 because I was like, I'm tired of getting shoes and they running big. So a lot of shoes run big. Like I done bought shoes where I had to get a freaking 10.5 because they ran big. And when I got my regular 11.5, felt like I had a 12.5. Like, stop it, my boys. Popping that box open, you get the kicks right there, looking nice, looking snazzy. 3.2 CL, you already know what to do. But anyway, the shoes looking nice. Pull them bad boys out, if I can grab it. So yeah, the shoes looking nice. It's got that kind of a chunky situation going on, but they're not high tops. These some low top situations, not no mid top situation, but it still gives you that chunky dad shoe look if that's what you're going for. You got the bottom of the shoe right there, looking nice, looking snazzy. Got the side of the shoe over here. You got the rear, posterior, the rump of that bad boy, and then you got the front as well. So front looking kind of cool. You got the top right here. Looks pretty good as far as the craftsmanship of this bad boy, so that's cool. Feels nice, it's real sturdy. And then as you can see, the bottom is not one of those shoes where it's wide here, wide there, and it gets super narrow here. It does have this little spot right there, but it doesn't really affect how wide it is. It's still pretty wide, and I got flat feet, so as you can see, plenty of situation for the situational situations. But yeah, we're gonna throw these bad boys on feet and show you what it's looking like. We got a little bit of quality control issue. What is that? What is that, my boy? Chill. What is that? A little bit of smuts? And if you noticed in the other clip, there was some on the bottom. I tried them on just to see if they was wide enough, but that's tough. Yeah, that's tough. I guess I could try to get that bad boy off. They're doing me dirty, my boy. Chill. Chill, you out of pocket. I ain't gonna lie, my foot cold in a mother. All right, so as I sit and look at these bad boys and find another spot right here, maybe that's the reason. Maybe the quality control situation on them is the reason why they was 25 bucks.